What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Product. If you are stuck with slow internet on your older laptop or desktop, I have something pretty cool for you. We are looking at the Edu ePax 910 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter. It is a tiny gadget that promises to totally supercharge your wireless speeds. So, here's the deal with this little dongle. Most people think they need a whole new computer to get modern speeds, but this thing proves that is not true. It is a dual-band setup, meaning it handles both the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz frequencies using the latest AX standards. On that 5 GHz band, you are looking at speeds up to 600 megabits per second, which is honestly plenty for 4K streaming or even some competitive gaming without the lag spikes. Even the 2.4 GHz side is snappy, hitting about 286 megabits per second. What really makes this special is the Wi-Fi 6 technology. It is not just about raw speed, it is about how it handles a crowded network. If you have a bunch of smart home devices or other people streaming in the house, this adapter manages that traffic way better than older gear. But wait, there is a whole other side to this. It is also a Bluetooth 5.3 adapter. I love this because it saves you a port. Instead of having one dongle for internet and another for your headphones, this handles everything. You can pair your wireless keyboard, mouse, and speakers all at once without any stuttering. I tested it on my Windows 11 desktop and it was basically plug and play. It works perfectly with Windows 10 as well. The signal coverage is surprisingly broad for something so small. I took my laptop to the back of the house where the signal usually drops to 1 bar, and I was still getting a solid, stable connection. It is incredibly portable too. It is small enough that you can just leave it plugged into your laptop while you slide it into your bag. You do not have to worry about it snapping off or getting in the way. It is just one of those simple upgrades that actually makes a tangible difference in your day-to-day life. If your current internal card is acting up or just feels outdated, this is such an easy fix to get back up to speed without cracking open your case or spending a fortune. It really feels like a bridge to the next generation of connectivity for your older machine. There are a few big reasons why I really dig the EduPax 910. First, the 2-in-1 functionality is just brilliant. Keeping your USB ports free is a huge deal, especially on modern laptops that only give you 1 or 2 slots to work with. Having high-speed Wi-Fi and the latest Bluetooth 5.3 in a single tiny package is a massive convenience win. Another big plus is the stability. I did not experience any of those annoying random disconnects that you often get with cheaper off-brand adapters. Whether I was on a long video call or downloading a massive game update, the connection stayed rock solid. The Bluetooth range is also impressive. I could walk into the next room with my headphones on, and the music did not cut out once. Plus, since it supports Wi-Fi 6, you are getting much better efficiency and lower latency, which you definitely notice when you are trying to do anything time-sensitive online. It is a simple, effective, and reliable way to modernize your setup. Okay, so what are the downsides? Well, honestly, the biggest thing is that it is limited to Windows. If you are a Mac or Linux user, you are probably out of luck here, so make sure you check your operating system first. Also, while 600 megabits per second is fast, it is not the fastest Wi-Fi 6 speed out there. If you have a super high-end fiber connection and you need every single bit of that speed, you might want something even beefier. But for most people, this is plenty fast. So, who is this actually for? I would say it is a must-have for anyone with an older Windows laptop that does not have Bluetooth or is stuck on old Wi-Fi standards. It is also a great fix for desktop users who do not want to run a long Ethernet cable across their house, but still want a fast and stable connection for work or play. If you need a portable and affordable way to get your machine up to date with the latest wireless tech, this is an excellent choice for your daily setup. Thanks for hanging out with me and checking out this gear. If you like this video, make sure to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Tech Product. You can grab one of these using the link in the description. Catch you guys later.